How to use Polkastarter for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Polkastarter and how you can use it for your own benefit to launch a successful crypto token, coin, or an NFT project. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to polkastarter.com and you'll get to this platform right here. Now, what is Polkastarter? Well, Polkastarter is a decentralized fundraiser that allows you to launch your innovative projects and it gives you a kickstart for your project. So a lot of people use Polkastarter and it supports all kind of different platforms: Ethereum, BNB chain, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, and Solo as well. So you have your maybe NFT project on Ethereum, even if you have on Solana, if you are doing exchange on BNB, then you can use Polkastarter to actually kickstart your project or any of the different launch that you are going to be doing. It's a very good platform for you guys if you were looking for a fundraiser platform to actually help you get out there. So the first thing that we do on Polkastarter is to connect our wallet. That's what you need to do where you are actually creating your project, whatever blockchain you're using. Now, again, I am telling you, you can use it for Ethereum, BNB chain, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Avalanche, and Solo. So I'm going to click on connect my MetaMask wallet. Now, my MetaMask has Ethereum and Polygon as well. So I will be able to actually use Polkastarter for my Polygon and for my Ethereum as well. Click on connect wallet and it will connect your MetaMask to your Polkastarter. So now we have our MetaMask right here. And you can see this is my, blockchain now that I can use. We have Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Solo, and Avalanche. So now with my MetaMask, I'm getting all of these options and this was automatic and it was used by Polkastarter. Perfect. It will also show me my funds right here and it will show me that my default blockchain right here, my wallet is on Ethereum right now. So okay, we're good to go. We can now explore Polkastarter. So once you have connected your wallet, you can actually check how it works on Polkastarter. So you can see that a lot of different people are using it as to kickstart their project, and you can see upcoming Polkastarters. So I'm going to click on explore project and show you how we see different projects right here. So you can see a lot of people have added their funded projects right here. So you can see this one is a Planet Mojo, which is an NFT sale, fresh cut token sale, okay, Cryptoverse land sale, then we have Orbital token sale. So even if you were looking for different projects, then you can use Polkastarter as well, not just to promote but also to look for different projects that are there and they're all funded. People are actually spending money to get a kick on a Polkastarter. We will be able to check when you're checking any of the project. This is the project name, this is going to be the type. Keep in mind to check the type, definitely, of course, token sale, T sale, participants, that how many participants are there already, total raised for this project right here. So now this is actually a fundraiser for the project and it gives you the money to kickstart your project. And it's really good how people and how Polkastarter is helping people and this community, NFT community and crypto community this way. So you can see the money that has been raised is phenomenal. You can see right here. Then what we have is we have current price. This is actually the price for this one right here, the project. And then we have ATH since IDO. This is going to be the percentage of all right here. You will be able to check it out. And this is the ended in. So this is going to be the ended date when this actually ended. And then we have chains. This is also really important. Make sure to check the chain where it is. And you can see this one is on BNB chain. This one is on Polygon. Then this one it was on overseas. This one is on Trello, BNB, Ethereum, Polygon. So nowadays a lot of chains and a lot of projects are being minted on BNB rather than Ethereum because of the low prices. The market is actually pretty low right now at the time of making this video. So these are funded projects. If I go to unique participants, then I'll be able to check different kind of projects, and then we have raised capital. So this is how you check a marketplace, and here you will be able to see the upcoming Polkastarters, further fundraising, and how how we can now, explore and see. So these are the projects. If I go to portfolio right here, now this is going to be my portfolio. And this is where I will be able to actually list and check out the different projects and add different projects to my portfolio. The projects that I have funded for and I am funding. So what we do is we can go to projects from here and it will take me again to the place right here, the funded projects that I just showed you. So what we do is you will select the projects from there, you're funding them, you have the money, then it will appear right here. It can take up to 2 minutes after joining a sale. So you have joined a sale, then it might take like 2 minutes, but then it will start showing right here in your portfolio. So I just created this account for you guys. So you can see right here, you will be able to check all of your different sales that you have joined right here. Moving on, if we again go to the menu, we have our own dashboard. So if I click on the dashboard, it will take me to my personal dashboard where I will be able to check and trade and exchange tokens. I will be able to check the tokens that I hold in my wallet, not stocked, and I will be able to convert them really easily. So if we're using this platform, we will be exchanging tokens and we quickly need tokens. So what you can do is you can actually come right here and you can withdraw tokens from here and deposit and lock as well. So if you want to deposit, what you do is you just add your amount right here. Let's say that I want to deposit like 1,000, so it's going to be $500 right here. 10,000, then we have $5,000. This is going to be the maximum. Again, what we do is if you want to participate in the upcoming IDOs, you can actually deposit and lock your amount already before even it has started. So this is actually amazing. Polkastarter has a lot of different options for us, and it's an amazing platform to get a kickstart for your projects that you're creating and even to find good products if you are into this. And now you can see helping the most successful project raising funding, and you can see a lot of big projects are getting funds from here, from Polkastarter. So you see right here we have Zodium, Umbrella Network, Quid is here, Nitro is here. So all of these big projects are using Polkastarter and they're helping these projects for a kickstart. You will be able to see that 48 million raised capital, 109 ideas funded, then there is 400 million projects MKT cap, and unique participants are 35,000. So if you have the funds in your wallet, then it's really easy to join. You just, explore a project that you want to go for and you can check it out. Like this one is actually a land sale and we can actually go for this one. So the total raised is this allocation inventory. And what I can do is I can check all items, single, small, medium, large. Okay, so these are the NFT marketplaces. Okay, these are going to be the assets. Perfect. Then we have description, NFT sale right here. Start end time. Okay, so it was the end time. Contract metrics are given right here. You will be able to check your contracts metric from here. And this is going to be the contract address given here at the end. You simply go to your contract metrics and then simply scroll down to check your contact address. Now all you have to do is just join the sale and add your funds to your wallet, of course, and then you will be able to be the part of that project. You will be able to fund it and it will be shown right here in your portfolio. And now there is another option available on Polkastarter, which is actually a new option and it is called forum. Now forum is actually again a very basic forum for all of the Polkastarter discussion. So if you want to get information and if you want to join a community, then you can join forum, and it is our official Polkastarter forum where you will be able to check your Polkastarter discussion and you will be able to check reply, views, activity. So this is actually a pretty good forum that Polkastarter has, and you'll be able to get a lot of information from here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Polkastarter. It's an amazing platform. Go ahead and check it out right now, polkastarter.com. Connect your wallet and you will be able to get more and more information. You will be able to fundraise amazing projects that are there, and you will be able to help crypto community grow, and Polkastarter will help you do so. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.